Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and view saved passwords and login information on your Mozilla Firefox web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Firefox web browser if it's not already open, and you want to select the application menu up at the top right. Go ahead and just left click on that. And you want to select passwords. If you want to go about viewing any passwords in here, there should be a list so you can actually go ahead and search for certain websites you may have passwords saved on here. If you want to edit the sign-in credentials, you can select the edit button right up here at the top. You can edit the username as well as the password information. And if you wanted to remove that information or just delete that login password and username, you can just select the remove button trash can icon up here at the top. And then you can select remove. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.